Hey guys, welcome back to GovZ Travels. Today we are in the charming small town of Chappell Hill, right in the heart of Texas, for one of the most beautiful spring events of the year, the Bluebonnet Festival 2026. This iconic festival is happening on April 11th and 12th, 2026, and it celebrates Texas' official state flower, the stunning bluebonnet, which blooms to its full beauty during spring season in the surrounding areas. From great live music, delicious country food, and over 250 local vendors, this place turns into a full-on Texas spring paradise. So in today's vlog, we are going to explore everything, the food, the shopping, and all the fun activities happening right here in downtown Chappell Hill. Let's get started now. If you loved the vibes and all the fun, make sure to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to GovZ Travels for more travel content. Drop a comment below and let me know if you want us to cover any specific place here in Texas. Until we meet next time, keep exploring.
Let's do this one. Like one.
La Bubu.
It's like a bell. I just saw you doing that as an old.
Anybody here ever had an X-ray? Why do they put a lead vest over your body? Now, who has Apple iPhone? Everybody? Most everybody? We have Samsung. So that's what the
What is the metal? What type of metal?
We are. I can carry this one, Terry. Thank you. Thanks, Shayla. Enjoy the rest of your day.
I can hear you better now. What did you say you were doing?
Like a bell that is ringing for me, and the way that I feel when the bell almost like being
Yeah, so like this finger, this one used to fit here, now I have to fit it here. It used to be- one.
Her picture day.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you can. Thank you.
The regular one.
Plus, I can see there's a lot of live ones, yes. And this big one, I call it a brisket board, that one's full. All natural color.
Because I'm out of it right now, so what I do is I make that big ball. What is that? I put on the bread butter and on the good. That's what roast chicken is. I'm out of spice right now.
Come on, Evie. Close the collection. Just like
Hello.